Ever wanted your own professional website, but just thought, I don't have the time, the money, or the tech skills? Well, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, we're going to completely shatter that myth and show you exactly how to get a killer site online way faster and cheaper than you ever imagined. So, what's really stopping people? Before we jump into the solution, let's tackle the biggest hurdle head-on: the myths that keep so many incredible ideas stuck in people's heads instead of on the web. I mean, be honest. Does the whole idea of building a website just feel huge? Like it's something only tech geniuses or big corporations can do? Yeah, if you're nodding along right now, you get it. This is the big one, the number one misconception we hear all the time. But here's the thing, the game has totally changed. So if that's the old way of thinking, what's the new reality? Let's talk about how the right kind of platform just flips this whole thing on its head. Just look at this breakdown. It says it all, right? The old myth was that it's hard and technical. The reality today, it's simple, and there's zero code involved. What we all thought was super expensive is now completely affordable. Something that used to take weeks, we're talking minutes. And needing to hire a developer? Nope, that's a thing of the past. You are in the driver's seat now. So what's the secret sauce here? It's realizing that the solution isn't trying to juggle a dozen different complicated tools. No, it's about having one single, all-in-one platform that just handles everything for you. And what does all-in-one actually mean for you? Well, it means you get your domain name, your .com address, for free. It means you get that SSL security that keeps your site safe, also for free. It means if you ever get stuck, there's support around the clock. And setting up WordPress, the most popular website builder on the planet, it's literally one click. The whole thing is designed to be super friendly, even if you've never done this before. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but how does it actually play out? Let's walk through the actual blueprint that gets you from just an idea to a live website in just a few minutes. It really is this simple. First, you just pick a plan that makes sense for you. Next, you create an account. Super quick. Step 3, you grab that free domain name we were talking about. Then, here's the magic part. One click, and WordPress is installed. And just like that, boom, you're live online. You could honestly do this on a coffee break. Now, getting your site online is awesome, but keeping it running like a pro is what really matters. This is where the real peace of mind kicks in. Let's look at the guarantees that make sure you're always covered. And listen, these aren't just features on a list. Think of them more like promises that make sure your website does what it's supposed to do so you don't have to worry. This first number is a big deal, 99.9% uptime. All that means is your site is guaranteed to be online and working for your customers pretty much all the time, day and night. When you're trying to build something, that kind of reliability is absolutely everything. Next up, your support system, 24/7. So if you hit a snag at 3 in the afternoon or, 3 in the morning, a real person is there to help you out. You're never, ever on your own. And finally, this number is all about making it possible. With discounts that can go as high as 90% off, having a professional website is no longer this huge expense. It's truly for anyone with a good idea. But wait, there's more. You also get crazy fast loading speeds, which is huge for keeping visitors from clicking away. It's also a big deal for ranking better on Google. Plus, that SSL certificate we mentioned, it's included, and it builds trust with every single person who lands on your site. So, once you see just how quick and easy this all is, all those technical worries kind of just fade away, and they're replaced by a much, much more exciting question. So what's it going to be? Are you going to finally launch that website for your business? Or start that personal blog you've been thinking about forever? Maybe you'll open an online store, build a portfolio to show off your work, or get that side hustle off the ground. The possibilities are, they're endless. See, it's not a question of if you can build a website anymore, it's about what you're going to build. Your big idea is literally just one click away from being real. So the only question left to ask is, what are you going to build first?